one of the limiting beliefs that floats around the small business space that really upsets me is I can't let go of this person because at least they show up to work. And so and maybe I won't find anyone that they can't be out there. There's a whole market of people who are rock stars at what they do, who are unhappy at their workplace. You see some of them, Ivy, in your own company, right? Everyone who hears this needs to believe that there are plenty of people out there. We just have to set up the systems, the HR funnel to go and find them. So we should never be afraid of people leaving, going and competing against each other, against us, not working out, whatever. Every single time that I've turned over a B, C, D level player, I have ended up with a A or B level player, and I have been better off. I have never in my entire career managing thousands of people through my companies had a situation where some amazing person left and I was totally screwed. No, usually we find someone equally or better amazing. Okay. So through experience, I get to say that. I give that experience to you. So we have that mindset. That's really important because we need to believe that there are rock stars out there. We need to believe that we can recruit and train and manage those rock stars, and that if we have a team of rock stars, they will pull the business forward, because everything I just said is actually true. So if you set up an environment where you bring in rock stars and you let them be entrepreneurial in their own way and lead to their own success and participate in that success and be part of a group, why would they leave? Why would they go compete against you?